So I'm now just going up the walls of this laundry. I did the floor yesterday. So it's up the walls now. That's going to be full height. That one's 1200. That one's 1200. That one is full height. It's a real sunroom, this laundry. Whew. This is a 12mm notchy I'm using on the wall. Usually I use a 12mm on the walls and a 15 on the floor. You'd notice again that I'm gluing my tile, not the wall. It's a lot cleaner, faster. And you don't get your you don't get any skinning of your glue. You're always watching your lines, DIYs, always. And you're always making sure you're concentrating on your clipping because sometimes you can miss one and it's very, very easy to do. That's good. That needs to come up just a little, so you adjust it now, not later. Just like that. Oh, I'm not that happy with these clips. They're a little bit soft and they don't snap off nicely. I'm pulling a lot of them out with the with my pliers. They're actually quite a heavy tile when they're in the packet like that. The white ones that I do a lot of are a lot lighter. So, you know, these are a good tile. Notice how I'm sliding the bucket and it doesn't kick. That's how flat the floor is. I don't know if you've noticed. How's that going to work out? Oh, pretty good. Because I'm going off there actually. I'm going to be putting on a new architrave. I'll be taking that off because there is not mitered and that bottom piece is too skinny. So, or it's too thin for my tile. So it's easy to replace the architrave and carry on. Move on. I see a lot of jokers out there wearing gloves when they're tiling. Oh, what a lot of shit. You can't feel anything with gloves on. Man up and toughen your hands up a bit. You tilers out there. If you think you should wear gloves, write me a comment. I'd love to hear from you why you wear gloves. I'd love to hear. I'll push my button to the camera in a sec. Push the button to my radio. Always, when you have a bit of glue in your joints, push your tiles hard up, give it a wipe like that, and then when you part it, you've got no glue. So you're keeping your tiling work relatively clean all the time. There's tips all the time that I'm giving you people. If you're watching and taking notice of what I'm doing, you will learn heaps all the time. Nice, nice. All right, people, I'll see you soon. I've got to take that off. I'll carry on around the walls though first, and then I'll stop and come back to that architrave. See you soon. Woo!